Different party system. Countries around the world have different party system. Means there are some countries in the world which have the different party system. These are broadly categorized into one party or single party, two party or bi-party or multi-party system. In some countries there is one party government, that is single party. In some countries there are two party government, there are only two parties, that is bi-party. And in some countries there are so many parties, that is multi-party system. In some countries only one political party exists, this is called one party system. Just now I have told you. In such a system, the voters really do not have much choice, as all the candidates belong to one single party. In this system, the voters have no choice. They have to choose the representative from a particular party. One party system is not very desirable, as the single party might become dictatorial. One party system exists in China. United States of America have two party system. So one party system is not a proper system. This type of government, this type of system has been exist in China. In USA, United States of America, that have two party system, that is also known as bi-party system. After elections, one party forms the opposition. In two party system, the voters have a clear choice. Moreover, as both the parties are aware that they can be replaced easily by each other, they work hard to look after the welfare of the people and win their support. In countries such as India, Pakistan, Canada, and Australia, there are many political parties. In these countries like India, Pakistan, Canada, Australia, there are so many parties, and voters have a wide choice and they can choose from several candidates belonging to different parties. Voters have a lot of choices, and they can choose their candidate from different parties. This is called multi-party system. Sometimes after elections, no single party gets the majority to form the government. Two or more parties come together to form the government. It has been observed time to time in our country also, that no party will gets the majority. In that case, two or more parties come together to form the government. That type of government is known as coalition government. In India, there are two categories of party: national and regional. National and regional. National parties have a base in four or more states. It means that the party which are which works in minimum four states are known as national parties, while regional party contest elections mainly from their respective states or regions. As on 2nd September 2016, we have 7 recognized national parties, namely All India Trinamool Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Indian National Congress, and National Congress Party. These are the national parties in India. It is declared on 2nd September 2016. As on the same date, 2nd September 2016, we have 48 recognized regional parties, of which Aam Aadmi parties, AIADMK, असम गण परिषद, बीजू जनता दल, DMK, जनता दल यूनाइटेड, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा, राष्ट्रीय जनता दल, समाजवादी पार्टी and शिवसेना are quite popular. Regional parties, coalition government. Just before it, in a multi-party system, time to time it has been observed that in elections not a particular party will get the majority. Majority means, in further chapters I will clear you about the meaning of majority in this sense. Majority means whatever the total number of constituencies, total number of representatives, if a party had 2/3 of that number of candidates, it is said that that party has obtained the majority. So if no party will get the majority, then two or more parties come together to form the government, and that type of government is known as coalition government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government. Such a government is called coalition government. Before joining the coalition, parties hold discussion and agreed upon a common minimum program. In India, coalition government was first formed in 1977, with the Janata Party forming the government as a result of the merger of many parties. In the 13th Lok Sabha of 1999, a coalition of 13 political parties led by BJP, and that coalition is known as National Democratic Alliance, under the leadership of National Democratic Alliance, that is known as NDA, and that NDA came into effect in the 13th Lok Sabha of 1919 under the leadership of BJP leader, led former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The United Progressive Alliance was the ruling coalition in 2013, with the Indian National Congress as the leader. A coalition government has some advantages, such as it represents wide public opinion by representing different parties. And the second one, it means that the representatives belongs to different parties, so they have the different types of public opinions. It adopts a consensus based approach that avoids political confrontation. Thank you, beta.